Do you know? Malai kofta was first created in Lahore, and from there it spread throughout the country. Now we have many variation of this dish. Today, let's go back to the roots and try to create Lahori Malai kofta. First, we will make koftas. So, for koftas, I have taken paneer around 300 to 350 grams. Mash it, crumble it with the help of your hand. Knead it properly. You have to keep on kneading it. हाथों से अच्छे से इसको मलते रहिए. Now, we will add some spices. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Now again start kneading it. जितना आप इसको मल सकते हैं, जितना आप इसको नीड कर सकते हैं, आप इसको नीड करते रहिए. यू हैव टू नीड इट अराउंड 20 मिनट्स, 15 to 20 मिनट्स. रीज़न इज़ टू मेक द कोफ्ताज क्रीमी. जब आप उसको खाएं तो वो आपके माउथ में मेल्ट हो जाए. इसके लिए आपको नीट करते रहना पड़ेगा जब तक कि पनीर, आप नीट करते करते देखेंगे पनीर एकदम सॉफ्ट हो जाएगी, क्रीमी हो जाएगी. कोफ्ता वॉज फर्स्ट इन्वेंटेड इन पर्शिया, Arab, and from there it came to Indian subcontinent. Now you have to make one by one smooth ball from this paneer stuff. Gently roll these ball in between your palm. Nowadays malai kofta has become very popular. From the paneer stuff I have made 16 koftas. Now we will fry it in a low medium flame one by one. I will fry the koftas in 3 batches. I will put 4 to 5 koftas at a time. How beautiful koftas are looking and they are very well fried. फ्राइड कोफ्ता को एक प्लेट में ट्रांसफ़र करने के बाद रेडी टू फ्राई अनदर बैच ऑफ कोफ्ताज. रिपीट द प्रोसेस. पुट इन again 4 to 5 koftas and fry it. All the koftas are fried. Now let's get ready for the gravy. Here you can see I have fried all the koftas. We have to make paste of 1 onion and 3 green chilies I have taken. To make the gravy shahi, I have taken handful of cashews, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon grated coconut. मसालों में सिर्फ salt, cumin powder, garam masala powder and this is white pepper powder. I have not taken black pepper powder. अगर आपके पास white pepper नहीं है, आप black pepper ले सकते हैं. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 2 to 3 teaspoon curd and 2 to 3 teaspoon malai. Let's start making gravy by heating the oil in a vessel. Our oil has been heated up. First add onion and green chili paste. Fry it for 2-3 minutes till it changes the color and oil starts separating. Now add ginger garlic paste and again start frying it. इस डिश को पहले शाही फैमिली के लिए बनाया जाता था. Now you can see our masala has been properly fried. Oil has started releasing. At this point we will add powdered spices, salt, cumin powder, garam masala powder and black pepper powder. Mix it well. मसालों से बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आना शुरू हो गई है, अच्छे से मिक्स हो गए हैं. Now add curd along with shahi paste. Again fry it for couple of minutes. बेसिकली जो ये ग्रेवी होती है बहुत स्मूथ सिल्की होती है. Mix it well. Now you can see that our gravy, how beautiful it is looking. कितनी शानदार लग रही है. Fry it for 2-3 minutes only. Adjust the quantity of gravy through milk. ये बहुत थिक होता है लेकिन आप मिल्क के साथ एडजस्ट करिए. Add 1 tablespoon butter in it or desi ghee, whatever you want. I have added butter. Mix it well. Now here you can see ये जो मलाई है, इस मलाई को मैंने अच्छे से विस्क कर लिया तो ये थिक हो गई है. तो इसमें से 1 टेबलस्पून मैं ग्रेवी में ऐड कर दूंगी. Rest I will keep to use afterwards. Mix it well and now our gravy is ready. If you want to add, you can add 2-3 drops of kevra water, but I am not adding it. In the gravy you can use almonds also, but I have not used almonds. Now 2-3 teaspoon milk I have added to make the gravy slightly running. Gravy is ready. Consistency is perfect. Now let's transfer it into a serving bowl. Adding kevra water or kevra essence is totally optional. It depends on you. Now what we will heat oil in a tadka pan. Add kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, 2 whole red chili and saute a little bit. This is the tadka of the malai kofta. Now let's arrange the dish to serve. On the gravy, put these koftas. Arrange the koftas. If you want, you can first put koftas on the serving bowl and above the kofta you can put gravy also. But I am doing in this way. Now above the koftas, put dollops of malai, which we have churned, whisked. Decorate it everywhere. Look how beautiful our dish is looking. Now above this, you have to put tadka. Let me tell you that malai kofta is very rich and heavy dish. Koftas are crispy from outside but extremely soft from inside. And this dish, when you will eat koftas, they will melt in your mouth. Gravy, so smooth and silky. Try it.